Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 208 in the GT line specification. So this vehicle comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows and rear parking sensors. Inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line styled stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.